The People's National Party calls upon the government of Jamaica to urgently seek to help ease the pressing crisis in Cuba. We have seen the news reports with the electrical grid having collapsed throughout most of the island. And this matter has been further compounded by the passage of Hurricane Oscar, causing more damage to the grid and other infrastructure, as well as loss of life. This is a situation in which immediate assistance must be rendered to our closest neighbor, but we are yet to hear of any plans for aid or assistance to Cuba. We take this opportunity to remind the government that many of our medical doctors and other medical professionals have benefited from full university scholarships. Our healthcare system has been bolstered with the presence of Cuban health professionals for over 40 years. These healthcare professionals